Hello friends, welcome to the daily answer writing practice. Today we will do an answer writing practice from the DPS of 6th of September. So this question I have framed on road safety because this has been in news because of the unfortunate road accident of one of the greatest industrialists in India. Okay, so let us see this question. So India accounts for the highest road accidents globally. Analyze the reasons. First part. Second part says what can be done to improve the situation. So the question has two parts. Part 1 where you have to analyze the reasons for the accidents, and part 2 where you have to suggest reforms. Okay, so it's a 15 marks question which you have to write in 250 words and in 12 minutes. So let us try to write an answer to this question. So let us begin. So as I have told you that in the introduction you can start with the context or you can start with some facts or reports. So here we have a context. We can say that the recent death of an industrialist in a road accident has highlighted the crisis of road safety in India. Then what you can do is that you can give some facts. Okay, according to a report, there are more than 1.5 lakh deaths every year in India due to road accidents. This you can underline. Further, you can add one more fact. According to World Bank, road accidents lead to a loss of 3.5% of GDP. Okay, so it is an economic problem also. Okay, it's an economic problem also. Further, you can say that as per the World Bank, if we can half the number of road accidents, then in next 24 years we can save around 7% of our GDP. You see how I have used a lot of facts in the introduction, and also I have basically introduced the answer using a context. Okay, why it is in news, why this question has been asked by the UPSC. Now let's start answering the first part. Analyze the reasons. Okay, we can say that we can give a heading here: reasons for poor road safety. We'll underline this. Okay, we'll give the first reason. The first reason is basically untrained drivers. Okay, you can say that according to an estimate, around 25% of drivers do not have appropriate license. Okay, the untrained driver problem is the main cause of road accidents in India. Second, what you will write? Second problem, you will write that poor road infrastructure. You can write the quality of Indian roads are not good. There are many blind spots which lead to accidents. Okay. Third point what you can write is basically traffic enforcement, weak traffic enforcement, and that although we have a strict law, but poor enforcement leads to its ineffectiveness. Okay. Fourth, what you can write is that other problems of traffic accident is like, okay, driver behavior. Okay, because road accidents also happen because of driver behavior. Okay, so it's a behavioral problem also. Okay, road accident is a behavioral problem also, because we see we don't wear helmets, we don't wear seat belts. Okay, people generally avoid wearing helmets and seat belts. Okay, which is the main cause of deaths. Okay, next what we can write is the huge increase in traffic. India is seeing huge increase in vehicles which overburdens the road infrastructure, leading to accidents. Next, one more point what you can write is about city planning. Poor city planning results in accidents in cities. Okay, so we have written like 6 points: untrained drivers, poor infrastructure, weak traffic enforcement, driver behavior, huge increase in traffic, and city planning. So we have sufficient points here. Then the second part of the question says what can be done to improve the situation. So we can write that suggestions or suggested measures. The first suggestion is basically, we have to train drivers. So we have to make this license system very transparent, and very scientific. Only people who are trained must be given license, and people who are not trained must not be given license. So we can say that we must emphasize on driver training, license management must be more transparent. Second problem is that behavior. Public behavior must change. Road safety must be taken with sincerity. Third, traffic law enforcement, strict traffic law enforcement can help reduce the problem of road accidents. Here it is important to mention that Motor Vehicle Act 2019 must be implemented in letter and spirit. Then what we can say, that encourage public transport, use of public transport can reduce both traffic and accidents, leading to better road safety. Then we have to conclude, to sum up, road safety is a collective responsibility of both the government and citizens. It is the need of the hour. Here we can also mention here the Sundar committee. You can mention Sundar committee, because Sundar committee recommendation must be implemented, because always mention committees. Committees or commissions related to a topic is very important, and the law. These two things are very important. So you can see here how we have answered this question. So in the introduction we have given the context and we have given the facts. We have quoted reports of World Bank. Too many facts also we have given, so you can easily expect 2 out of 2 in the introduction. Then as far as the first part goes, we have given at least 6 points. So we can easily expect here 6 marks. Then in the suggestions also we have mentioned around 4 to 5 marks, so we can expect here 4 marks. And conclusion also is a very good conclusion, because we have said that road safety is a collective responsibility. Recently you see the minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, he also said the same thing, that road accident, people have to change. Without people changing, we cannot solve this problem of road safety. So here also we can easily expect in the conclusion also to get 1 marks. So you see 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 11 plus 2 13. So we can easily get how much? Easily we can get 13 marks out of 15, which is very good score. So this is the way we have to answer questions. Every day you have to write 1 answer. And if you follow this answer writing practice, which I am doing live in front of you, so if you follow this, your fear of answer writing will go. You will learn how to write answers, how to quote datas, how to quote reports, what all you need to bring in your answer, so that you get very high marks. Guys, I can tell you from my experience, I've qualified the mains examination 4 times. Mains is both. It is about the content and about the presentation. So you should study and you should be able to write also in the exam hall. For that, practice is very important. So thank you friends. If you like the video, please hit the like button, please subscribe the channel, and please share this with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.